Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make this cute reversible bucket hat with free pattern. Keep the sun out of your face with this fun bucket hat. This hat is reversible, so it's like having two hats in one. You can mix and match colors and fabric prints for two similar or completely different looks. Let's get started. Download the free pattern from the link in the description and follow the instructions to assemble your pattern. Once you have done that, use it to cut out your fabric pieces. Reference the cut list at the same link to make sure you have all the pieces. For both hats, pin the middle, brim, and decorative trim right sides together at the short ends. Sew the middle, brim, and decorative trim pieces together. Do this for both hats. Fold the crown in half and mark at the center. Pin the middle to the crown. Repeat for the other crown. Sew the crown to the middle hat piece. Repeat for the other hat pieces. Sew the crown and the middle pieces together. Sew the crown to the middle piece. If adding decorative trim, fold the trim in half, wrong sides together. Pin it to the middle piece, aligning the hat seams. Sew the trim to the hat 1/8 of an inch from the folded edge. We're about halfway through this fun sewing tutorial. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to hit that like button. Aligning seams, pin the hat brim to the middle hat piece and sew. Pin both hats right sides together, aligning seams. Mark a 2-inch opening. Sew all the way around the brim through both hat layers. Turn the hat right side out through the opening. Assemble the hat so that they fit nicely together. Pin the opening closed. Sew around the entire brim 1/8 of an inch from the edge. And that's it! Now you have a super cute reversible bucket hat. You could wear this with nearly anything and be in style. If you enjoyed this sewing tutorial, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all our fun sewing content. Thanks for watching.